Welcome to my channel. Is your Linksys Velop node flashing red and not connecting properly? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you simple step-by-step methods to fix the Linksys Velop flashing red light issue and get your mesh Wi-Fi working again. Step 1. Check power connection. First, make sure your Velop node is properly plugged into a working power outlet. Check the power adapter and confirm the node is receiving stable power. Step 2. Move the node closer. A flashing red light often means the node is too far from the main router or parent node. Move the Velop node closer and wait a few minutes to see if the light changes. Step 3. Restart the Velop system. Now restart both the main router and the Velop node. Unplug them for about 30 seconds, then power them back on and allow the network to reconnect. Step 4. Check internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is working properly. Test the connection directly from your modem or router before reconnecting the Velop node. Step 5. Reset the Velop node. If the red light still appears, press and hold the reset button on the Velop node for about 10 seconds until the LED starts blinking. This restores factory settings. Step 6. Re-add the node in the app. Open the Linksys app and add the Velop node again by following the setup instructions. Once connected successfully, the red light should disappear. And that's how you can fix the Linksys Velop flashing red light issue. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Wi-Fi troubleshooting guides. For instant help call 1-800-915-5645.